What is up, people? That is the view I get to wake up to every morning. How fucking amazing is that shit? Yeah. So we're gonna take you down to the beach, show you guys the beach and stuff. And then I'm gonna go and grab some swimming gear. Probably go jump in the pool or the sea or whatever I feel like. Don't really know yet. That's my plan of action. I'll show you all the stuff on the way. So guys, just had my breakfast, some fruit and stuff, it was nice. And I'm going to move on my day, go down to the beach, and I'm going to go get Turk, wake him up. Sweet. These steps are killing me, man. Ate my breakfast, get the Turkish man, good plan. I wonder if he's out of bed yet. Good morning, everybody! So Dan just got back from breakfast. Yeah, he went without me because I was still in bed. But we was meant to be up really early this morning. That didn't happen. But now I'm ready. Got loads of energy. We're gonna have loads of fun today. Gonna go to the sea. Go do some shopping. Gonna get some breakfast. Yeah.
Van, Mickey Smalls, listen. Listen to me, oh yeah.
Sex, I'm similar to the Thriller in Manila. Honeys call me bigger, the condom filler. Whether it's stiff tongue or stiff dick, Biggie squeeze it to make shit fit. Now check this shit, I got the pack of Rough Riders in the back of the Pathfinder. You know the epilogue by James Todd Smith. I get swift with the lyrical gift. Hit you with the dick, make your kidney shift. Here we go, but I'm not domino. I got the funk flow to make your drawers drop slow. So recognize the dick size in these Carcanine jeans. I wear 13s, know what I mean? I fuck around and hit you with the Hennessy dick. Mess around and go blind, don't get to see shit. The next back.
So, we're out here in the sea. You guys ready to see what it would look like out here? We said we'd do the whole tour, all that sort of stuff. It's our first day, day number 1, and it's pretty amazing to be fair. Whew. So have a look at this. We've got our own little water sports section. This is our hotel, bloody massive. And we've got, I don't know if you can see up there, but you've got like tennis courts with volleyball. All these tourists. But then come around a little bit more. Mountains, and blue sea. Back of Dan's head. He's getting used to the snorkel. First day out here. He's making me sink. I'm trying to actually stand on a little string in the water. Woo! Where are they? Oh, you've got them. So yeah, boats. Yeah, well.
Here to shatter your blatter, it doesn't matter. Skinny or fat or light skinned or black, baby, I drop these. Boniqua mommy screaming, I poppy. I love it when they call me Big Pop, but I only smoke blunts if they roll prop. But look, I got ya caught up with the drunk flow. Fuck taekwondo, I told a fofo. For niggas getting mad cause they bitch chose me, a big black motherfucker with G. You see, all I do is separate the game from the truth. Big bang boots from the Bronx to Bolivia, getting physical like Olivia Newt. Tricks up my click dick all day with no trivia. So give me a bankroll and a bag of weed.
So we done the whole beach thing, and we are now going to go to Gumbet, see if we can find a speedboat or something like that to take us around the island. Probably do a little bit of shopping. Dan needs to get some stuffs. I need to get some stuffs. But yeah,
We going out, man.
we out here, son. So we just got back from editing our video. Some goddamn tourist decided to set our hotel on fire. I'm not even joking. Well, damn. Well, goddamn. So yeah. Ruined our view though. It's kind of big as well. I mean, I don't know if you can see through the actual smoke, but the fire is pretty big. And it's... wow. Oh, look at the tourists up there next to it. Ha! Them people. Nope, we don't care. We did this. Oh, that is spreading quick. All got down. I think I need to get in the pool. So yeah, if you don't see any more videos from me and Dan, you know why. Let's go and say our final bye-byes to Dan. Just in case Dan say something, because damn, that fire's getting massive.
We gonna die.
We're gonna die!
To fuck until her nose bleed. Even if the new man's a certified Mac, you get that H down in you. You want that old thing back?
Like B-I-double-G-I-E with some new R-U-L-E. Notorious is known for busting in your E-Y-E. Baby, baby, bitches know they love to hate me. How come you come, we're coming back to maybe. How close we came to coming together is crazy. How come you and your sis make similar faces? When y'all coming, y'all be crying like I'm killing y'all bitches. I know there's a bigger picture than the camera roll, because I don't think y'all be knowing how this shit's unfolding. Back shots to the rear, got the Mac unloading. Gotta reload like every so often.
We're in a cab. And we are... where are we off to?
Yeah, Gumbet.
Which is just a little town.
Shopping central.
Shopping central. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Woodchester. Look at that view.
Look at that.
I have actually, well, we 1 day into this and 2 nights in, and I do not want to leave right now, ever. So,
We out here, down in Gumbet, ready to go and visit some Turkish Primarks and stuff like that.
yeah. One thing I will say, I do remember before we got here, Turk said about you'll hear bibbing a lot, and that was the first actual time I heard a lot of bibbing at once.
It's on the motorways, you know, so it's on the motorway.
But I can't hear it, like every now and again. It's like, see, there you go.
Bip, bip.
Need us.
Anyways, we are going to do some shopping. Going to get like a man bag. Just keep all our stuff in, because we're always wearing shorts and that. We're going to lose our phones, wallets, monies, all our liras.
All our liras. All our many
We
liras.
might be hiring out motorbikes today.
Maybe.
We'll see.
I feel like today's just going to be, let's see where it takes us. We'll go in there. I feel like I'm going to get addicted to shopping, and I'm going to be like, look, I can't ride a motorbike because I'm carrying all these goddamn bags. But
That, oh, and tomorrow we're going on a boat party.
yeah, boy, we on a boat. So yeah, we'll check back with you in a bit, I guess.
Sweet.
So,
Hot. See? See what I did just there?
yeah. So we're out in Gumbet, and it's super cool. There is shops everywhere. If you could fit a person in a spot, there's a shop there. It's as simple as that, really.
That's what
Kind of everywhere. But this is where all the clubs are as well, all the nightclubs, and some of them look amazing. Like, look at this. Look at that. It looks like the genie from Aladdin's fucking palace.
Well, it is called Sultan.
Sultan. So yeah, that's crazy.
We'll bring you back down at night time so you can actually have a look.
Yeah, at some point throughout this week when we can be asked and the sun hasn't drained us all day, I think a night time down here getting completely crazy would be a laugh. But yeah, so we're just going to take a trip down here. We're going to see all the shops. Hopefully get some good prices.
Yeah, boy.
See where we go from there, man.
Sweet.
We out. So, me and Turk have just been out and just sorted some stuff out, and we sorted out the boat party for tomorrow, and then we sorted out something else, and I'm just going to show you what we've done instead of telling you. Yeah, we'll show you.
Off in the sand, I got my swagger back. I'm looking like bitch, my swagger never left. Don't be so hard pressed, cause they impressed by these new rappers. They actors and the fact is, you want that old thing back.
Like Scarface and Bushwick, Willie D, having nightmares of girls killing me. She mad because what we had didn't last. I'm glad because her cousin let me hit the ass. Fuck the past, let's dwell on the 500 SL, the E&J and ginger ale. The way my pockets swell to the rim with Benjamins. Another hundred's in the crib, please send it in. I fuck non-stop, lick my lips a lot. Used to lick the clips a lot, but licking clips has to stop. Cause y'all don't know how to act when the tongue go down below. Peep the funk flow, really though. I got the cleanest, meanest penis. You never seen this, stroke of genius. So take off your Tim boots and your bodysuit. I mean the spandex, and hit my man next. Sex get rougher when they come to the nut buster. Pussy crusher, black nasty motherfucker. I don't chase them, I replace them. And if I'm caressing them, I'm undressing them. Fuck what you heard, who's the best in New York? Fulfilling fantasies without that nigga Mr. Raw. Or tattoo, I got you wrapped around my dick. And when I'm done, I got the split shit.
Trust van, small, listen. Listen to me, oh yeah.
When did you get in front of me, man? When did you take over? Oh, did you?
You
some bikes and we drove around a shitload of Turkey. We had no idea where we was going, and they drive on the other side of the road, so that's super weird. That's super funny at the same time. But no one gives a fuck when they're driving. They just drive wherever they like. But yeah, so we come and found this little beach. Amazing. So yeah, so we're out here. We wait for Turk to get his stuff, and then we're gonna go and jump in the sea.
We went shopping. I went out for a bag. Got my bag, all good. And then this happened. We got some Ralph Lauren tracky set, night jumper, I like that one. Armani jumper, pretty cool. Boss jacket, Armani belt. And then Dan, well, he's just is a big pile of. Well, goddamn, jump. Look what he's wearing though. That jumper, though. Well, damn. So yeah, did all that. Went to our guy, kind of like a regular with him now. We went back to him, and man, he was basically almost fighting the shopkeeper next door because he was trying to overcharge us. So he tried to charge like 240 lira for like 2 pairs of trainers.
Which is what?
Which is not a lot of money. That's about 45 quid, something like that. For 2 pairs of like decent Nike trainers, Air Maxes. What? Plus that one there. And he was basically like, nah, you ain't paying that. You paying 150 max. So he walked out for 150. But on my days, the aftermath, fuck it up. We just wanted to get out of there. It was so awkward. He wanted to fight the shopkeeper next door. Shopkeeper next door wanted to fight him because he was trying to lose money. But he still sold it to us for 150, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so shopping done, dusted, all good. Got to go back on Thursday, get a couple more bits. Other than that, I think we are now going on an adventure.
So what's up guys, I'm here with Turk and we are at McDonald's.
In Turkey?
Turkish McDonald's. It cost me 15 lira for pretty much McChicken, which is about £3.54. And yeah, and the sauces are weird, so I have this sauce, hadar?
Yeah.
Hadar, which is basically Worcestershire sauce, like mustard sauce. Weird. Just drove out here on our motorbikes.
Hungry as hell.
We're gonna eat this and then we're just gonna carry on adventuring, man. So, peace! Right, so we got our snacks. We're gonna go back to the room, we're gonna go chill and get ready for our boat party tomorrow. So this is the first thing you're gonna be seeing, I guess, for tomorrow's vlog, which is technically today. So yeah, we're probably not gonna be vlogging until we actually...
Spider's back. Fucking spider's back, bro.
Oh shit, yeah, that spider we were saying about.
Get a bit closer, man.
Ah, fuck that shit. Yeah, so yeah. But anyway, yeah, so we've got our snacks, we're gonna go and chill, and we'll probably... What? Stop killing spiders out here, bro. Yeah, we're gonna go chill, we're gonna go do this shit. And the next thing you're gonna see is the boat party, dude. Well, the boat trip, boat party, whatever. So yeah.
I'm going to watch the Discovery Channel.
Here the shatter, your blatter, it doesn't matter. Skinny or fat or light skin, the black baby, I drop these. Boniqua mommy, screaming, I poppy. I love it when they call me Big Pop, but I only smoke blunts if they roll prop. But look, I got ya caught up with the drunk flow. Fuck taekwondo, I told a fofo. For niggas getting mad cause they bitch chose me. A big black motherfucker with G. You see, all I do is separate the game from the truth.